Hey Cedar Ridge, this is your humble 6th grade science teacher here with a Fast Lane for December 4th through 8th. Well, it's been a very fun and exciting week as well as a really productive week. We finished up in science our Futura internship and we made our bars. And we spent really the past 3 to 4 days actually editing and rewriting our proposals to make sure that they are exactly what we want and they really show what we've learned so far. You submitted those by writing up a thing on Google Docs, writing up your proposal on Google Docs, and you submitted those on the Google Classroom. And I'll be going over and using a rubric, which you have a copy of and you can find in the dossier document, and we'll be grading those and putting those in the grade book, and those will go in as a test score, really showing what you've been working on for the past 3 weeks. We today on Friday started our very next unit, Traits and Reproduction, where we're going to be looking at heredity and how traits might vary and why they vary from basically from person to person or offspring to parent. And we're going to be looking at genetics. We're going to do that through the lens of a spider called the Darwin barking spider. And it's a real spider, but we're going to be using a computer simulation to change different traits and see how genes are transferred throughout generations. Very fun weeks coming up. Remember, keep bringing those cans. We are moving forward in the canned food drive. And so hopefully the Lane Army we come through, we need lots of cans. So if you're in my advisory, bring those cans. Next week, we have all different dress-up days as we move really quickly to Christmas break. And keep getting those grades in because really quickly, believe it or not, we only have about 5 weeks left of our term and those final grades are due. So remember, missing assignments, things they need to be turned in very quickly before your grades become final and you get a report card. Well, I know science might be getting harder or struggling, but remember, just keep pushing forward and keep writing those things. The harder you work, the easier it'll come. So remember, keep moving forward.